If a real number x is chosen at random in the interval 0, 3, and a real number y is chosen at random in the interval 0, 4, what is the probability that x is less than y? And we're given some options here. So I'm going to assume that we're using uniform distributions for these random things. And I mean, I think the best way to do this is to draw a Cartesian plane. The pair x comma y must lie somewhere in a rectangle. I'm going to shade the area of the rectangle where this statement is true, that x is less than y. And we're going to compute the area of that region versus the area of the whole rectangle. You know, if x, it doesn't state it, but another thing you have to assume here is that x and y are chosen independently of each other for this to work. Given the way the problem is stated, you know, the distribution of x and y is not given, the dependent structure is not given, but I'm just going to assume independent uniform distributions. So there is the rectangle that we can lie in. We're basically, because we're choosing independent uniforms, the pair, the ordered pair, x and y, is going to be uniformly distributed through this rectangle. So I guess I also need to draw this line. So the set x less than y is the set everywhere to the left of this line. Right? I need the area of that divided by the area of the whole thing. Okay, well, let's split this, of course, into two little regions. So the area of the triangle is equal to 9 over 2. And the area of the small rectangle is equal to 4. The area of the large rectangle is equal to 12. So I have 9 over 2 plus 4 divided by 12. So that's 9 plus 8 over 2 divided by 12. 17 over 24, which is not one of the options. What have I done wrong? Oh, the small rectangle does not have an area of 4, it has an area of 3. So this is the large triangle, or this is the triangle, has an area of 9 over 2. This small rectangle has an area of 3, not 4. So that's a 3, that's a 6, 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, so this gives us 5 over 8, which is option C. Yeah. All right, well, I mean, I'm happy I didn't embarrass myself completely by working out working out an answer which was incorrect and was also one of the options, because I probably would have just chosen it immediately and not gone back to check my work. But yeah, this was a silly mistake. Obviously the area of that is 3 times 1. But of course, whatever, I confused myself. I wasn't being careful about things. Yeah, pretty simple little problem. If you understand how to translate statements about probability into a graphical thing like this, then it's pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching.